going today there, YouTube? Well, I don't have a W4 update video for you guys this weekend. It is super nasty outside. I don't know if you can see behind me there. Got a freezing rainstorm happening right now. It started about 9 o'clock this morning. But I do have an unboxing video for you guys. Now, that box is open. I already got it, so just bear with me. I'll show you guys what's inside in just a minute. But for any of you guys that don't take this magazine, Antique Power magazine, I've taken it for many, many years. Lots of good reading inside there and lots of pictures and information. So I will need the case trapper knife for this other box. It's inside this other box, of course, but that's outside in the Denali, so I will be right back. I wanted to say also real quick, just before I got into my unboxing video here, Jason 1PA, or Jason Samuel, on YouTube here, he was the winner of our Oliver 1850 giveaway there a couple months ago. He did a very nice unboxing video of that charger when he received it. If you have not seen Jason's channel, I will put the link in the description box down below. He has some very nice repair videos on his channel, and he's got quite a nice little charger collection there. So head on over and check out Jason's channel when you guys get a chance. Nasty out here today. Alright, so the first box I got in our big goodie box over there, got this one. Well, you might know something's a little bit different on that box. Yeah, in Canada, it's standard protocol to use red tuck tape to close up parcels. Actually, that's my fault. I seen Buddy's last name on here was Steiner. I thought they were my rad hoses for the W4 from Steiner's. Open up inside is actually my farm toy part, or not parts, but my farm toys that I ordered. Now, I'm going to open this up real quick, and I'll show you guys what's inside. I'm sure most of you have probably already guessed what I ordered, because I order these tractors every single year, and they are from the National Farm Toy Museum, because of course the National Farm Toy Show was on here a couple weeks ago, actually a month ago now. Hold on a sec, let me go shut my tractor room door here so you guys don't have to listen to the furnace. Seems every time I want to make a YouTube shot here my furnace wants to kick on, but anyway, let's see what's inside here. We've got newspaper for packaging material. One box here, one box there. So when I pulled those boxes out of this other one the first time, that's when I figured out that they were the farm toys, not rad hoses. But anyway, I'll cut this first box open here. This may turn into a long video, so bear with me. We've got a lot of stuff to show you guys. I want to do one big unboxing video instead of making 2 or 3 of everything that I ordered. There. You guys see that alright? Minneapolis Moline A4T 1600 Toy Farmer. This 2019 Toy Farmer tractor for the year, because of course I get their 4-wheel drive tractors every single year, because I've taken them since 2003 when that series first came out. This other box here I believe was last year's release, but I've been meaning to pick one up because there's been quite some time, or quite a few years actually. I know there's been some custom builds that made them, but they just don't seem to have the detail I was looking for. So while I was on eBay there, the same seller had this. Just trying to get out of the shipping box here. Don't drop it. Alice Chalmers D21. These are both 1/64 scale, I should add. But I haven't seen a nice one of those in 1/64 scale in quite a while, so there's some custom ones done. But that's for the National Farm Toy Museum, as you guys can see on there. So both these kind of support the National Farm Toy Show and the museum. Now this other box here, the big box, this one here, came from Charlie Richards, of course. I picked it up on Friday, and I ordered all my parts for the W4. I didn't think he'd get me the rad hose kit, because Steiner had a really nice kit for the rad hose, so I ordered the hoses from Steiner's. But everything else I got came from Chaz Richards. And it was actually almost half the price to order it from Charlie's than it was Steiner. Not to put anybody down, but they all came from A&I products. First things first, we got a brand new set of spark plug wires. I'm gonna have to make these up and crimp the ends on and whatnot, but that's no big deal. A&I actually make some pretty nice stuff. I do believe they're one of the high end of the tractor part aftermarket. Got a rain cap if I decide to keep the muffler on there. I'm gonna have to paint that, but I'll paint the muffler as well. New distributor cap to paint that ugly looking one that was already painted when I got it. This here's a fan belt. And this here is the generator belt from A&I, of course. So that's not bad. It was half the price to order all the stuff from Steiner, or from Charlie, than it was Steiner's. And of course, I got new spark plugs since we're doing everything else anyway, and the other ones are covered in paint, and I didn't help things. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I'll show you guys those when I go to install them on the W4 out in the backyard there. I just happened to get the farm toys in the mail today, so I figured I want to get a video for you guys. But I do have them out of the package here and on the cabinet. Both these little tractors are very well detailed. They got great looking wheels on them. They both have 3-point hitches. And of course, the 4-wheel drive model articulates. That's the other side there. Little D21 is a very impressive piece. I'm glad I picked these up. Very nicely detailed. I know some of those came with a chrome grill, but they look very nice. Now this A4 T1600 is pretty much the same tractor as the Oliver 2655. Now that one's a Toy Farmer edition that they did back in 2005. So I know a lot of collectors have been waiting for this one to come out for a long time. But they're both very nicely pieces and nicely detailed pieces, and anytime you buy something from the Toy Farmer and National Farm Toy Show, it helps with the National Farm Toy Museum as well. Anyway, I'm going to get this video posted up for you guys. You have something new to watch while it's wet and rainy and snowy and crappy outside. Next week I'll have a big install video and put some of the parts, the new parts on the W4, and put the rad back on it and whatnot. If it's not too crappy out, then we'll just go from there. I definitely want to get the fan billets on. I want to get the new rad hoses on. I want to put the rad back on that tractor anyway, so that way it's out of the shop. And then I get some more room to take other stuff apart. So anyway, if you guys like what you see, as always, comment, rate, subscribe. Oh, and while I'm in here, I do still have the little fan mail collection here. If any of you guys are interested in sending something into the P.O. box, the address in the description box down below. Anytime I make a video in the Toy Tractor Hoard Room here, I'll feature you in the video. And I'll do a big unboxing when if you send something in. So it's totally up to you guys. And we'll see you on the next one.